Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you today how I've achieved perfect results when painting on glass using acrylic paint. As you can see here, we've got just an ordinary jar. These are what I just bought from Hobbycraft. We've got a paintbrush, I've just got some greaseproof paper, and the secret ingredient I think you need is primer. First thing we're going to do is we're going to paint our glass with 2 layers of primer, and then we're going to paint it with acrylic paint. This is really super quick and easy. All we're going to do is put on a generous layer of primer, just using a paintbrush. We're just going to do the strokes all in one direction because I think that also helps to give it a good finish as well. We're just going to make sure that all the glass is fully painted. I'm going to try and get as far down to the bottom as possible as well. Depending on what your purpose is for your jar as to whether you want to paint the top part of the jar or not, it all depends on what you want for the end result. Once your glass jar is all painted, the best thing to do now is to leave it for 24 hours and then paint it again and give it a second coat. Once you've given the jar a second coat, this is what it should look like. It's just got a bit of a better coverage and you can see less of the jar through. And once you're at that point, again, you're going to leave it to dry for 24 hours and then you're going to be ready to decorate it with your acrylic paint. Here's one of the jars that I made. I made it look like, it's supposed to look like a donut with sprinkles on. I think these are really fab ideas. One of the ideas I had for this is to use it in the summer and pop straws in it. So I thought that would look really cute. So if we pop some straws in like that, that would look really cute at a kid's party, a barbecue or something like that. I did also make another one where I painted it in one colour and then I just stamped on a different colour. And for that, I used it to store like fake cake pops in for Halloween decor. You can have loads of fun when decorating your jars, and the primer gives it the perfect coating for the acrylic paint to cover perfectly. This is what it looked like if I didn't use the primer. This is just painted with acrylic paint. These are great if you're doing luminaires where you want to put the little tea light in and it wants the light to shine through. This way for that is absolutely perfect. But if you're wanting better coverage, then I really do recommend that you use the primer. And also this is really easy as well, just to start scratching off. It's not very durable at all. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and my top tip on getting great coverage on your jars. I hope you have loads of fun being creative and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!